Squarespace Shipping Profiles tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up the shipping profiles to your Squarespace website. So we're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the dashboard, which is going to be like that. Once we have been here, what we're going to do next is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen after we have chosen the website, scroll down, click on the settings, and we are going to head over again the left side of the screen, click on selling. Now we are going to scroll down. As you can see, we are going to find shipping, pickup, and local delivery. These are going to be the three, as you can say, local or not local, but basically shipping profiles. We have the shipping profile, which is going to be representing all of the shipping international and also nationally. So you can go ahead and add, for example, a shipping option by clicking on this button. Either you are going to add a flat rate, a weight-based rate, or a carrier calculated rate. Each one of these options are going to be self-explanatory. For example, for the flat rate, it is going to be a fixed price or a fixed amount of money that you're going to charge the customer per an order or per item. For the weight-based, it is going to be the more weight that you're going to put or they are going to put, the more cost that it is going to cost based on that. And the carrier calculated is going to be counting the weight, the distance, and also the package size for the carrier, and it is going to be automatic. Now, that was for the shipping options or the shipping profiles. Now for the pickup, it is going to be also a shipping profile, which is going to be setting up a pickup option for a store. For example, you have a physical store and you're going to put here some physical address that you're going to put into your, let's say, customer information label, and you're going to put all the information for that pickup from the day that you're going to start setting up the pickup to the day that you're going to close up. Now moving on to the local delivery, which is going to be something that it is going to be local delivery and it is not going to be extended to long ranges. So we are going to add delivery options, selecting the country that you're going to put this for, set up the, as you can see, the names and whatever you want here. So for example, let's choose maybe a place where we are going to have some place or some local delivery. Set up the postcodes or the zip codes, and it is going to be setting up here the places. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.